Sustainable Development Goal is an action to protect people and the planet. There are 17 goals in SDG and in total of 169 targets and 232 indicators. These goals were framed out through community consultation on the issues that mattered the most in their communities and on the planet. The slogan for Sustainable Development Goal is Leave No One Behind. So participations of everybody to meeting these 17 goals by the year of 2030 is required.
Our group has chosen the 13 goals, which is climate action. This climate change can cause disaster such as floods, heavy rains, typhoons, drought, and increasing the greenhouse gases that cause the global warming. This climate change has reduced the agricultural produce due to the changing of weather patterns. Therefore, it will reduce the food resource and increasing the undernourished people. However, this problem in agriculture can be resolved by implementing the Internet of Things.
There are few methods to solve these problems using the IoT technology. The first method is the early warning system. This early warning system gives enough of time to the decision makers to prepare for the drought. This early warning system also helps to warn the local communities when there's a risk of drought and also reduce the risk of food and crop loss. The second method is the strip strip. This strip strip IoT technology plays an important role in water conservation and also helps in connecting the systems in the water supply chain and also helps the consumers to save the water during the drought. This drip irrigation technology delivers water and nutrition directly to the plant's root zone in the right amounts and the right time, so each plant gets exactly what it needs when it needs to grow optimally. It enables farmers to produce higher yields while saving on water as well as fertilizers and energy.
How we can further improve existing technology? Firstly, improving the early warning system by focusing on wide areas of violence of public surrounding for potential IED, which means improvised explosive device. For example, investigators manage an infrared sensor to identify the potential found to the digital IED in airport, school, market, railway station, shopping mall, and hospital. And this shows that the device might be helpful for shielding above central locations such as airport and cities. Secondly, improving the right street suffer from unsystematic irrigation problem. There are improvements in practical problem in current method of irrigation which are overcome by monitoring the local soil water level. When the water level is low, the system spray water through the rural pump to auto. And the message is sent to the owner via the global mobile system, means GSM. Plant disease monitored through segmentation. Irrigation control can reduce water consumption. Third, to improve the range of water streams in order to focus especially during the dry season, we need to develop sensor device that deal extreme hot weather, knowing that the device to control sensor will explode if they get water in sunlight. Best to manage the surface on the sunlight, keep the track information closely to keep the crop the best quality. And then, next, upgrading agricultural for upgrades the ability more to scan large surface radius. By increasing the area of farmland, drone crops, met lots, report plant health, improve spray accuracy, monitor livestock irrigation system, and much more. The ability to collect and analyze the data at the time has tangible results for farmers, such as better crop yields, less wasted resource on seed and herbicide, and better overall management decision. Lastly, the improvement of smart greenhouse with smart sensor. Smart sensor included a network hardware and software design for the control monitoring of greenhouse parameters such as the temperature, humidity, CO2 gas emission, and circulation irrigation. Ventilation of the instrument of the sun maker, for example, smart not the withstand means wireless sensor and activity network. Transmit the data from data of the hardware agent for verification is simulation based on fuzzy logic driver is provided to make intelligent decision. As a result, the command device finds the injector and the heater change to achieve the requested states.
The Internet of Things IoT is a technology that uses the Internet to connect devices integrated with sensors that can detect things without human contact or electricity. As a result, farmers were able to monitor crop risk and maintain crop quality by incorporating IoT sensors into their crops. In agriculture, our team has introduced the Internet of Things IoT gadgets to help farmers grow their crops. The application of the Internet of Things IoT in agriculture not only focuses on the difficulties of agriculture but also on minimizing the waste of water and energy. Early warning systems are Internet of Things IoT devices that warn farmers to take precaution to protect their crops from threats such as droughts and floods.